Here's what actually happens to your body when you crack your knuckles, and it might not be what you're expecting. Cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis when you're older is something you've probably heard at least once in your life. Well, this is actually a myth, and the crack or pop noise you hear when cracking them isn't bad either. Inside the joint is a small pocket of synovial fluid that surrounds the bones. Then when you bend or pull your joints, it creates a gap in between the bones. And then the rush of fluid into that gap is what actually creates the noise you hear when you crack your knuckles. Now share this with a person to blow their mind.